Alright, so we cut these pieces of 3-inch steel tubing. These are going to mount like that, and we're going to use these for housing to mount our servo. We'll punch a hole in the top of there, so this will bolt in. And then we've got our servo driver board that comes with a remote control, so you can control the speed and turn it on and off remotely. And then this is going to mount up inside here, you know, on the back side. And we've got some nylon hardware, or I guess you could call it software, for mounting it to keep it isolated, shorten out and that kind of thing. And we'll drill some holes to allow some ventilation and probably cover this up or something. I'm not exactly sure, but we got our timing pulley and belt set up from the 3D printer stuff. That's what it's originally made for, and this is what we're using on this. So we'll keep making some progress here and keep you updated.